In November 1884, sadly, none of them are any fun. That's because anywhere you go is going to feel like you're climbing up a steep hill. On the cubed Earth, gravity is strongest at the center of each of its faces, so the further you are away from the center, the more you'll feel its pull. Hope you didn't take standing tall for granted. Corners would be too thin to support life, or non-existent. We'll come back to that later. The new climate would depend on how the Earth rotates. If our cubed planet rotated on an axis through two of its faces, then the climate would be kind of how it is right now on Earth, only more extreme. The top and bottom faces would be polar, while the remaining four sides would enjoy an equatorial climate. However, if the Earth was a cube that rotated through its corners, then each side would have a temperate climate. You could say goodbye to extreme temperatures and precipitation. Sadly, that means saying goodbye to your equatorial fantasy world too. More, if the cubic Earth had the same volume as our rounded world today, then its sharp, steep corners would actually poke out beyond our atmosphere. These areas would be unprotected and therefore uninhabitable. But who says you couldn't rent a spacesuit and stand on top of the world and outside of it at the same time? Would you do it?